really fortunate to have great facilities that work well for athletics and for recreation. The Freedy Wellness Center is sort of the centerpiece of our athletic department. That's where we play basketball, we have wrestling, we have varsity cheer, also competitive pom. We have Jim Wade Baseball Stadium where our baseball teams play, the Ann Lacey Softball Stadium, and also the Brian Harvey Soccer Field, all here on campus. The university also owns the Devon Boathouse. It is a unique facility in that it does host the men and women who row at Oklahoma City University, but it's also part of the Olympic development program. So high-performance athletes from around the country utilize our facility to train.
It's been a great journey. The university have been fully supportive in terms of gaining facilities, recruiting tip-top people to come and represent the program. So it's been a wonderful experience.
And I can tell you from first-hand experience as well as from friends and teammates that whether they have an interview or anything, having gone through Coach Harvey's program, they will never be late. They will always be on time, they will always be respectful. Yes sir, no sir, yes please.
We've won 46 team national championships, but more importantly, there's never been a year that our student athletes' cumulative grade point average has been below a 3.0. Whatever your goals and aspirations are, our job is to help you get there. And truly, if you can balance the rigors of being an athlete and a student and do that successfully, there are very few limits to what you can accomplish.